This is my main router. And this is the Mercusys AC750 Wi-Fi router, which I will be setting up as a wireless range extender. If your router has been used before, reset it first. If the router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. After resetting the router, go to your phone. My phone is already connected to the main router's Wi-Fi, so I'm disconnecting it. This is the Mercusys router device. Now connect it. Enter the Wi-Fi password from the back of the router. Now the phone is connected to the Mercusys router's Wi-Fi. Now go to the internet browser. Type mwlogin.net and search. Create an admin password. Tap on the two lines. Select Range Extender Mode. Tap Reboot. After the router reboots, reconnect the device to Wi-Fi. Go back to the setup page. Enter your admin password you created. Select your main 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi device and enter the Wi-Fi password. Select your main 5 GHz Wi-Fi device and enter the Wi-Fi password. Now you can change your Wi-Fi name and password from here. If you do not change the Wi-Fi password, your original Wi-Fi password and the extender Wi-Fi password will remain the same. Tap Next. Tap Save. The router is now rebooting. After the router reboots, reconnect the phone to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Go back to the setup page. Tap Finish. The setup of the Mercusys AC750 Wi-Fi router as a range extender has been completed. Now you can browse the internet with this router's Wi-Fi. This is how you can set up the Mercusys MR20 AC750 router as a range extender wirelessly.